Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making some more alternates using the Painted Petals July 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So this is what the kit originally made, and we're going to be making 3 alternates today. So before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have the Time for Cake August Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to make 9 cards, and it's coming with a Night of Navy stamping spot. And as an added bonus for August, this kit is going to come with an additional stamp set for free. We have the Every Celebration Dies add-on that you can purchase for $12, item number 164991. It coordinates with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I just so happen to have those dies right here because we're going to be using those today. Well, I have used them, but you'll see why I used them ahead of time. If you want to become a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, the link is in the description box below. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. $30 is the cost. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. Email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you're interested. Next, we have our host code. This is the code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I do not want you to miss out on any of your freebies. For the month of July, we also have our bonus days promotion going on where you spend $50 and you earn $5 coupon from Stampin' Up. They're going to email you with that coupon code, and you save that until August, and that's when you redeem it. So for every $50 that you spend on one order, you're going to get a $5 coupon. So if you spend $150 in one order, they're going to send you 3 coupon codes in your email. Save that and redeem it in August. That is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. We're going to start with our designer series paper, which is basically just the backs of the card bases from the kit. These are cut down to 4 1/4 by 3. We're going to do the stack, cut, and shuffle. So let me get my paper trimmer here, and we are going to cut this. And I am going to just start by cutting. Let's see. How do I want to cut this? I'm going to cut it this way. And I am not measuring anything. I'm just eyeballing what I want to do. So I'm just going to cut that top part like that. And then I'm going to just turn it from this point here. And I'm going to cut that like that. So let's see, is that right? Nope, because I turned it. Okay, so we have this. So I stacked them and I cut them, and now I have to do the shuffle. So the shuffle, we're going to take the top one and move 1 to the back, the middle one, 1, 2 to the back, and this one, we should leave it like it is, I think. So we have some basic black here. This is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4. We have 3 of them because we're going to take 3 of each one. We're going to put all of our pieces down, and you should end up with 1 piece of each color for each card, just like that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and glue this down. My glue, liquid glue here. And I'm not going to press these down too hard because I want to make sure this is the hard one right here. Make sure you put it put it on there correctly. And we're just going to line this one up. And once I have it lined up where I think I want them, I'm going to press it down. Whoop! But don't move them out of the the correct position once when you're pressing them down. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna do the rest of them and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have all three of those glued down. We're gonna get some more basic black. This is just some scrap, and I have the 2 3/8 inch circle punch here. And I'm gonna punch out a circle. And we are going to take this, and you can do it with scissors or you can use a trimmer. I'm just gonna cut this down to about 1 1/4, about. And we're gonna use this piece, the bigger piece, on our card. Okay, now you could, if you want to save paper, punch that out of this piece right here, but I wanted to not do that. So next we're going to do some coloring. So I have some scrap paper here. I've gone ahead and stamped the floral image from our stamp set from the paper pumpkin kit, die cut it using the Every Celebration dies that's coordinate with this kit. And we're going to color this with some Granny Apple Green, light and dark. So the dark, I'm just gonna go over these lines through the middle of the leaves here, and then I'm gonna color it in the light. Just like that. Then I have some, what is this, the light. This is Cajun Craze. I want Calypso Coral. The light Calypso Coral. Just like that. And then we have the light Peach Pie. And we're gonna color in this little floral image here. Okay, so now we have that done. We're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back here. So I'm gonna take some minis and put on the leaves. And then I have the regular size dimensionals to put on the flowers. If I can get them out of the container that I have them in. Put that there. Okay, so now let's start building up our card. So I have 3 card bases here, basic white, thick, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. They're all the same size, so we're just gonna burnish down those score lines. And we're gonna glue our pieces onto our card bases. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this glued down. Trying to put it in the center of our card base. This one, I am turning it where the points meet over here because we're going to do 2 portrait and 1 landscape. Oh my goodness, I moved all of these pieces on here. Okay, I didn't even notice that I moved it. So then we're going to take those half circles that we have. I went ahead and did some ahead of time, and we're going to glue those down. So for this one, It's going to be here at the top. Just line it up to the edge of that black. And on these here, they'll be on the side. Okay, so we have those cards just like that. Now we can put our glue away, get our flower that we stamped. Not stamped because we didn't stamp it on a video, but it is stamped, but the one we colored, I should say. And this one, I think I want here. We're gonna put it up here just like this. Oh, no, no, no. I want it to be on the black, hanging over just slightly. Then I went ahead and did two more, one in Melon Mambo. And this one is in the Peach Pie, but I went over it with Daffodil Delight to lighten it up some, because I wanted a lighter color for this one. Okay, so I got the dimensional backs off, and we're gonna put this one on here like that. Man, I wished I would have seen that go crooked. That's gonna bother me. And we're gonna put this one on here like this. And again, before the video, I went ahead and die cut some things. So in the dies, there's a sentiment hooray. So I used some of the, what is it called? Foam adhesive sheets. Yeah, foam adhesive sheets. They're just like one giant dimensional. And I cut it to fit the size I needed and put black cardstock over it and die cut it out. The word hooray. And we're just gonna put this one right here. Ooh, sticking to my finger. We're gonna get this one, put it here. And our last one, now these do have a backing on it, but I had just took them off the other ones. So we would have that done already. Peel it off and it's like a sticker. We'll put that right there. Then we're gonna get some of the, what is this called? Adhesive Back Shiny Sequence. To embellish our cards. Take your pick tool. So for this one, I'm gonna use this green, I think this is Lemon Lime Twist. Let's put one big one there. And two small ones right there. Then on this one, I'm gonna use, this is Melon Mambo, I do believe. Yeah, this is Melon Mambo. So we're gonna put one right there, one here, and one right there. Then for this one, we're gonna use pumpkin pie. Come on, get off. Put that there. Oh, they're sticking to me instead of the project, okay? And we're gonna put one right there. Isn't that cute? Only mishap is I didn't know I moved this piece, but other than that, these cards came out awesome. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.